What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I just got back from Cleetus and cars and 2.4 hours of LeMullets at Cleetus's Freedom Factory in Florida. And it's actually kind of depressing to come back because, I was walking around in shorts, eating all kinds of greasy American food, which is great. And then I drive 30 hours to come back, and here we are. Got some snow. Kind of bullshit, to be honest. Anyways, so I got a couple clips. I wasn't really going to put this video up. I wasn't sure because it's just some cell phone footage and some of it's not that great. But I got a couple clips, mostly from the Cleetus and cars night, a bunch of burnout stuff. I got Vice Grip Garage. I got Derek's car, the Independence Chevelle. I got side-by-side blogs, Burner Right unit. Got a video of that. I think I got James and White Trash. I got a couple of that and maybe a few other things. Not much from the LeMullets race, to be honest, but a couple clips. But anyways, I figured I'd throw up a video for you guys. Figured some of you might like this kind of stuff. I recommend going there if you guys are ever thinking about it. I don't know how far you guys are. It's far for me. It's about 30 hours one way, but it's worth it, man. I got to meet what I really wanted to go for. The main reason is I wanted to see the side-by-side blog guys there on the Cleetus and cars day, and I ended up talking to all of them. They're super nice guys, and yeah, man, had a great time. It was super fun. So yeah, like I said, not the normal videos I kind of put out here, but we'll get back to the normal stuff soon. We got some sled stuff going on. The VMAX, got the Firecat, and JF bought a new sled too, so we'll have a video on that somewhat soon anyway. So stay tuned for that. And always, guys, if you like the videos, please subscribe, share, comment. Thanks for watching. I'll put a couple clips here, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, you son of a bitch.
Hey! Subscribe to the channel.